Let's use this Geoboard to practice creating shapes based on specific attributes that are given. These are the rubber bands that you can use. They're just different colors that you can use on your Geoboard. But the first thing we need to do is make our board a little bigger. So right here at the bottom, you need to click on this larger Geoboard. All right, we're going to make 4 shapes today. So I'm going to start on the bottom to make room for our other shapes. And I'm just going to use white. So our first shape is 3 sides, 1 face, and 3 angles. So I'm going to drag my rubber band up here, and I'm going to stretch it, make it a little bigger. That's 1 side, 2 sides, and 3 sides. So now I have 1, 2, 3 sides, 3 angles or vertices, and 1 face. Okay, my next shape says 4 equal sides and 4 angles. So I'm going to use yellow, and I'm going to come up here, and it says equal sides. So we need to make sure that when we create this, we count the dots and we ensure that we have the same number of dots on every side. Okay, so there's my 4 sides, and then I have 1, 2, 3 on that side, 1, 2, 3 on that side, 1, 2, 3 on that side, and 1, 2, 3 on that side. So this is equal. And I have 4 sides that are equal and 4 angles or vertices. My next shape says 4 sides and 4 angles, but it was not specific about being equal. So I'm going to use the orange bands. I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to make my 4 sides. This time I'm going to go a little longer because it did not say that it had to be equal. So this time I'm making a rectangle. And so I still have 4 sides and I have 4 angles or vertices, but my sides are not equal. This side has 3 and this side has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the same. It is 4 sides and 4 angles, but it is not equal sides, or like this one. And then our last shape we're going to make is 6 sides and 6 angles, and I'm going to use the red rubber band for this one. So this one's a little more difficult. I like to think of it as starting with the roof of my house. So let's see how I do. I'm going to start right here, and I will come over here to do my first little angle of my roof. And then I'm going to do the flat part of my roof. I'll go to here. And then I'm going to do the other angle of my roof. So there's my rooftop, and I have 3 sides. I need 6 sides. So I'm going to do this exact same thing, but I'm going to do it upside down. So now I'm going to come here and do my angle. And then I'm going to come here to do the straight part. And then I'm going to come here and do my other angle. And now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles. That is my hexagon. Now what you can do is share this screen. So you've created all 4 of your shapes. If you come down here to this little box with an arrow, it says share. If you click on that, you can save the image. So if you save the image, you can save it to your computer. It automatically saves. You can copy the image. So it says right-click the image for copy option. So you can right-click and copy the image. And then you could take that copy and paste it into a Google slide for your teacher. Or you can go to a Google slide and insert your saved image. You also have a share link here where you could copy the link and share that with your teacher. So you have 3 options there to share with your teacher so that she or he can see the work that you've done.